Paying on PayPal with AliBaba. So in this video, you are going to learn how to pay on AliBaba using PayPal. So the process is very simple. You first need to go to your Google web browser and search for Alibaba Shopping. Then in the results section, you will see the website of Alibaba. Click on that website and you will be redirected to their page. Now sign into their account and go to their home decor option. As in the home decor section, you will see different things from different retailers. Some retailers who will accept PayPal while other won't. So while buying, make sure to ask them if they pay or accept PayPal, and they will tell you if they will not. So suppose if I want to buy one of these mugs, I will just check if they are accepting PayPal or not. So what I will do is I will simply going to open it. It should open up a new page. Here you guys can see a page like this will appear. We are actually buying from the retailer through the website, so you just have to contact the supplier and ask if you accept PayPal. So that's all. That's pretty much simple. That's how you will be able to pay on Alibaba using PayPal.